Hey everyone, welcome back to TahaNomics, where we master wealth one lesson at a time. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our goal is to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to achieve financial freedom. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock financial success with just a few easy steps. These steps are designed to be simple yet effective, ensuring that anyone can follow along and start seeing results. It's simpler than you think, so let's dive right in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, making your financial journey less daunting and more achievable. First things first, determine your goal. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house in Los Angeles, a vacation in Toronto, or even a new car in London, knowing what you're aiming for is crucial. Your goal acts as your financial North Star, guiding your decisions and keeping you focused. Or even a new car in London, having a clear and specific goal will help you stay motivated and disciplined. Knowing what you're aiming for is crucial. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, manageable milestones. This way, you can track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. This gives you a clear direction and motivates you to stick to your plan. Having a roadmap makes the journey less overwhelming and more structured. Next up, automate your savings. Trust me, this is a game changer. Automating your savings ensures that you consistently set aside money without having to think about it. It's like putting your savings on autopilot. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This can be done weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference and financial situation. This way, you don't even have to think about it. It's like paying yourself first. Over time, these automated savings will accumulate, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Most banks and apps in the USA, Canada, and the UK offer this feature, so there's no excuse not to use it. Take advantage of these tools to make saving effortless. Now let's talk about budgeting. I know, budgeting might not sound fun, but it's essential. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and ensures that you're living within your means. Create a simple budget that tracks your income and expenses. This doesn't have to be complicated. Even a basic spreadsheet can do wonders. There are tons of apps out there that make this process a breeze. These apps can categorize your spending, set limits, and even alert you when you're overspending. I personally like using Mint or YNAB for their user-friendly interfaces. These apps provide detailed insights into your spending habits, helping you make informed financial decisions. Another key step is to invest wisely. Don't just let your money sit in a savings account. While saving is important, investing allows your money to grow over time. Look into low-cost index funds or ETFs. These investment options are diversified and come with lower fees, making them ideal for long-term growth. Platforms like Vanguard in the USA, Wealthsimple in Canada, and Hargreaves Lansdown in the UK make it easy to get started with minimal fees. These platforms offer a range of investment options to suit different risk tolerances and financial goals. And Hargreaves Lansdown in the UK make it easy to get started with minimal fees. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. And finally, monitor your fund. Keep an eye on your progress. Regularly reviewing your financial situation helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Set monthly or quarterly check-ins to review your goals and adjust as needed. This ensures that you're always moving in the right direction and can quickly address any issues that arise. Use progress bars or checklists to keep yourself on track. Visual aids can be incredibly motivating, showing you how far you've come and how close you are to achieving your goals. It's rewarding to see how far you've come. Celebrating these milestones keeps you motivated and committed to your financial journey. So there you have it. Determine your goal, automate savings, budget, invest wisely, and monitor your fund. These steps form the foundation of a solid financial plan. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, it's all about consistency and making small, manageable changes. Small steps taken consistently can lead to significant financial growth over time. Thanks for tuning in to TahaNomics. We appreciate your support and are here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on mastering your wealth. See you next time.